Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy spike in renewable energy sentiment, with a score of plus 0.40, marking a significant uptick compared to historical norms. This isn't just noise, it reflects a burgeoning optimism in the sector, which is further backed by a solid momentum of plus 0.28. With 8 semantic clusters, showing diverse topics of interest, you can dive deeper into specific areas driving this sentiment. Our API returns structured insights that can help you understand the underlying sentiments and trends in renewable energy conversations. Imagine integrating this data into your application to identify when public sentiment shifts positively, allowing you to make informed decisions on investments or policy advocacy. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.